startup of my grandma's 2003 Bryant Central Air Conditioner, but from the refrigerant line angle. And just yesterday we cleaned the coils on this thing. And we found that now the compressor doesn't just delay on startup, but now it turns on like right away. And you might already be able to hear the blower of the furnace from here. But yeah, the blower is running like down here or something. Although it does kind of sound like the inducer right there. As you can see, that's not spinning, which means it is clearly not that.